Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So this week has been pretty interesting. Big up, big down, big up. Another green day yesterday. Ultimately, as far as I'm concerned, there's nothing really going on until this level here gives way. So that is 34,120. It is an inverse head and shoulders neckline. We get above that and find some support there, then there is potential for this being a bottom, and we have a potential for moving to the upside. Right now we should be looking to move with the trend, but based on what we're seeing at the moment this week, I would be very reluctant to jump in short at the moment. So looking at the 3 hour, you see we're coming up to this area. You can see this head and shoulders a little bit clearer. There's a double shoulder and another double shoulder here with a head. So not really interested in shorting off this level just yet, and I'm not interested in going long in this area either. So if we just get back to the hour, you should see some scalping setups. So first things first, the reason why I am not interested in getting into this at the moment is look at price in relation to the moving averages. We're above, we're below, we're above. We need to come back and hold a break, and if we can hold the break and the oscillator, not the oscillator, but the moving averages continue in their bullish pattern, then there is merit to the theory that we need to start buying. But at the moment, this is range bound. So we've had a nice move up, looks like a flag, probably another move up to come and test this 34,120. We're going to need to break that and retest that before I start looking at anything indicating a move to the upside. At the moment, if you look right down here, 33,566, I'd want to see price come into this area, test it, reject it, and move to the upside. Lastly, you have a fairly well defined trend line here. You can see a cluster of interaction there, double test of it there. So that just makes sense for it to come back in this area, build a base and move off. So buyers are here. There are definitely buyers here, but it is just too volatile for my liking at the moment. So patience is key. Wait for the break and the retest before looking to jump in on this. And the thing is, jumping in on this is going to be you'll be able to hold positions for a relatively long time. So that's kind of my view at the moment. Just being patient, waiting for structure, waiting for the pullback, and then move to the upside. Let's just close off on the 15, because if you were watching the 15, you may have had opportunities that point this trend line out to you yesterday. You can see we kind of below the moving averages, and there's a half-hearted attempt. There's a single bar attempt with an engulfing bar. There was your entry off the 155 for a move to the upside. So that's kind of the structure that we had yesterday. Nothing really exciting, but look at it the day before. We had a short, long. So we're above and below. It's really not something I like trading at the moment. So that's kind of my view right now. Who knows what's going to happen? Maybe the political scenario is going to sort itself out shortly. But by the looks of things, smart money is definitely accumulating stocks at the moment. So you'd be wise just to be very careful and don't assume it's falling to the floor, like I've always said. And if we start breaking any form of bullish patterns, it's going to be an opportunity to get into it. Anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.